Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure the watch has at least 20% battery and your phone's Bluetooth is connected. Once done, open the watch's settings or the companion app on your phone and navigate to Wallpaper or Watch Face. Decide whether you want a built-in face, a personal photo, or a third-party face app. This choice changes the next steps. Now select the category you chose so you can immediately begin the customization process without interruptions. You next pick the specific face or photo. If using a photo, tap Add Photo, then crop and rotate to fit the round or rectangular display. Make sure to adjust zoom so important content isn't cut off. If the watch supports complications, choose which widgets to show and set positions. Once configured, preview it on the watch preview screen. If it looks off, tweak colors, brightness, or filters until the composition reads well at a glance on that smaller screen. Finalize by tapping Apply or Set as Watch Face and wait for the companion app to confirm the watch synced. If the new wallpaper doesn't appear, make sure Bluetooth is active and try restarting the watch or forcing a resync from the app. If problems persist, check the image file format and size, convert to JPEG or PNG, and reduce resolution if it exceeds the app limit. One quick tip: repairing Bluetooth rarely is needed, but it fixes stubborn sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.